Hi everyone, this is William from Yongucase Enclosure. Today I'm going to introduce our company's products. A series rack mount. There are 2 handles and 2 feet on the bottom. This handle is made by CNC progression. We can pick up easily and that's convenience. The side panels, and it can provide the heat sink function. Under the special design that is strong and stable. The case has a 2U, 4U, and 3U high, and the length and the wide, it can be customized. If you want to know more, please contact us. We have so many classic